Let's go take it to the dump. One of the things that you really do need to know about relocation, if you're going to move here to Tega Cay or Fort Mill, is where's your local dump? I know that seems kind of ridiculous, but as a single mom, after I've been divorced, I had to find these things out for myself. Things don't just disappear and leave. You have to put them in your car and you got to take them somewhere. We all know that there are things that you have when you move. If you're leaving Tega Cay or Fort Mill, you're going to need to be taking things to the dump, okay? You're going to need to be taking things to Goodwill. If you are moving here, you did that before you left. But did you finish? I bet you didn't. I mean, maybe you're better than me. But I'm just saying, possibly, maybe, at the end of the road, you're like, let's just move it there and we'll deal with it when we arrive. We don't have time for this noise, okay? So I'm gonna show you where the dump is and we're gonna get it taken care of. So down the street, we have a Goodwill and we have the local dump. I'm gonna take a little tour to the dump, and they're actually making it bigger and nicer right now. So it's a little cleared out. You'll see that when we go by, but enjoy the ride. Here is some relocation expert advice. If you are moving to Tega Cay and Fort Mill, we are on our way to the dump and recycling center. It is on 160. It's called the Baxter Center. Let's see the proper name for it when we pull up. There's a car wash right there. That's where I get my car washed. And they have been expanding it lately and expanded their hours. I'm really happy about it because I've got to drop some stuff off. Yeah, the Baxter Collection and Recycling Center. There it is. All right, we're coming through. Now, if you're moving, especially if you're moving out, we all have to weed through all of our stuff. So you do have to be a York County resident. Make sure your license matches or your license plate. Household garbage, construction and demo. There you go. And I've got electronics with me today. I've got an old broken TV, big one, and some cardboard. No big deal. But they've got something for everything. Well, if you look behind me here, they have latex paint, every single kind of glass. That's cardboard over there. One of the stations is closed, one was open, that's where I just threw mine. I got a little hut right there. And all kinds of other stuff. I know at that end I did metals, yeah. If it needs to be dumped, this is the place to take it. I hope this eases your pain when you are packing up to get out or moving in and you find all those random things that you were gonna sort before you moved and you're like, you know what, we'll get it when we get there. I know, we all do it. I'm Britt Olson, I'm a realtor, and I am leaving the dump. Tega Cay, Fort Mill, take care. Hey, take it to the dump. And remember, I'm Britt Olson and I'm your realtor. Please make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my home walkthroughs or my information on how to buy and sell in the greater Charlotte area. And make sure that you share this video or any of my other videos to people who are looking to sell or buy in the greater Charlotte area, Tega Cay, Fort Mill, Rock Hill, those south of the border, or in the city on the North Carolina side as well. I'm your girl, I'll take care of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Take it to the dump.